So here we are in Southsea, Portsmouth. There's the Solent. Ferries back and forth. See that big building there? That's a fortress. It's made of concrete.
Oh, over there.
Up there in the middle, in the water.
Okay, yeah.
We turned it into like a hotel thing now. See, there's two of them. There's one down there as well. There's two of them.
And one below. I thought it's a boat.
No, it's a fortress. It's a concrete fortress, and there's another one down further. They round.
Okay.
But a businessman, a rich guy, had bought one of them and turned it into a hotel. I think it's this one. One of them.
อันนั้นไม่ใช่เรือนะคะเพื่อนๆอันนั้นเป็นป้อมปราการค่ะแต่ว่ามีคนเศรษฐีเขามาซื้อแล้วเขาก็เปลี่ยนเป็นโรงแรมค่ะตรงนั้นแล้วก็มีอีก
They do look like boats.
Yeah นึกว่าเป็นเรือ
Yeah, beautiful. The water is lovely and clean as well. So that's the Solent. It's one of the. It's a very busy shipping lane. This.
เป็นท่าเรือที่มีการส่งสินค้าที่เยอะค่ะที่นี่busy.
So this is where, like I say, right by here now. This is where normally the hovercrafts come onto the land, right?
แต่ตรงนี้เขาทำถนนค่ะที่จริงรถจะวิ่งรอบเกาะรอบเรียบทะเลได้เลยแต่เขาทำถนนก็เลยรถวิ่งไม่ได้
They go straight across then, across to the other side over to the Isle of Wight. So that's the Isle of Wight.
Isle of Wight.
Yeah.
Isle of
So it's
Wight.
Isle like an island. Isle of Wight.
Of Wight.
So that's the Isle of Wight out there.
นั่นคืออีกเกาะหนึ่งค่ะ Isle of Wight เกาะ
It's a nice place to holiday in the UK, but the only way you can get to it is by boat.
By boat. So you come here and across.
Yes, yeah. You can either get a hovercraft from right by here,
Like that one go.
or you can get a ferry across there and you can drive on, so you can take your car over, and that goes through Portsmouth down a bit further.
อันนี้คือเป็นที่ท่องเที่ยวที่สวยที่หนึ่งใน UK นะคะนี่ก็เป็นครั้งแรกที่มา
Straight out that way then, and straight across is France.
Straight across to the France.
Yeah.
ฝรั่งเศสนะครับถ้าไปข้ามไปฝั่งโน้นคือประเทศฝรั่งเศสที่ดาวอ่ะ
About that's only a few miles. It's not far.
ก็ไม่ไกลจากประเทศฝรั่งเศสคือไปทางเรือได้นะคะมาตรงนี้ก็รับไซดาวเฮาส์
Dancing on the ceiling. Pretty though, isn't it? She says that people are getting off now, see?
มันจะเขาสูบลงเข้าไปในนั้นนะเพื่อนแล้วก็บินอยู่บนเหนือน้ำ
See, the captain got a best view, look. See, so the top of it opens there, and that's how they get in then through the steps for there. So that's where the Thai festival is tomorrow. That's Southsea Common.
งานไทยเขาจะมีพรุ่งนี้ค่ะตรงเนี้ยที่เรามานี่คืออยากมาดูงานไทยด้วยแล้วก็มาเที่ยวเมืองนี้ด้วย
So pretty much it's right on the seafront.
Yeah.
There's a spinnaker tower. And that's where all the naval museum is down there. There's a little fair by there. Oh, there's a brewer's fair by there as well. If you want something to eat, look, there's a brewer's fair pub right by here, look.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we're going to go into Southsea Town now to have a little look and to get something to eat. So there's the hover place, the Hovercraft taxi service that goes across to Isle of Wight.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how much it is, I'll check later on.
Look what we found. We found James Bond treasure.
We got company for the weekend, look. She's having a rest already, a quarter, look. Feet up. We got a little walk now, she's worn out. Now, sun is killing her. I don't know what that is, but I'm not sure.
Oh, what's the smell?
Drains, probably. It's because it's hot.
วันนี้พาลูกชายพี่ดามาเที่ยวด้วยลูกชายคนโตดูพี่ดากับลูกชายคนไหนหล่อกว่ากันคะ ถอดพ่อมาเลย
My oldest boy
ลูกชายคนโตลูกชายคนเล็กยังไม่มาอันนั้นแฟนเขานะคะมีแฟนแล้วนะ
and little Freddie
เย้ น้องน้อยอยู่ในท้อง โนติโนมัน
Naughty Norman part 2 you wait so we're just walking down the seafront now just to stretch our legs all the countries like that they fought in like Papua New Guinea Philippines Malaya Burma East Indies Normandy Europe see them all
Yeah.
1914 to 1918 1939 to 1945
เป็นอนุสาวรีย์เหมือนที่จังหวัดกาญนะคะเพื่อนๆไม่รู้กี่ร้อยกี่พันล้านอ่ะหลายประเทศเลย
like each and every one of them like is full of names
Yeah.
and that's what war does look at all of it look at all of them thousands oh, it's better this side because the sun is not in the lens but like you say you used to be able to drive all in the front of this all the way down. I'm not sure you will once the work has been completed. I don't know. Time will tell. Oh